We don't keep secrets around here. The end shots are sometimes taken with a beauty filter. So let's show you with when in doubt, begin blending it out. As you can see, our shadows are so vibrant because they are sat over the top of our base. The full coverage formula maximises the pigment of the shadow placed over the top. We are then giving ourselves an invisible outline to follow. This allows us to see if the slice of our cut is in the correct positioning, it's flattering and suits our model's eye shape before we remove to improve our cut crease. And when I say remove to improve, we do this on everything, including cut creases, liner and pattern work for a foolproof finish. Then the skin. Remember that you customise your coverage. We like coverage, so we put a pat to perfection. And just like that, zero filters, zero edits, just raw iPhone videos with a whole lot of talent.